of the Reset 2.0 challenge. Today I've got a quick and effective morning mobility workout for you. Of course, not just structured for morning, but it's really great to do first thing in the day. Grab yourself a mat if you need one, a drink of water, and let's get going with this real good, feel good morning mobility workout.
me, stuck in my head. When lights go off, you're everything that I could ever want. Your touch so soft. Not looking for no heaven or gold, 'cause I got you. Don't wanna show us off, but you're my all that I need. Not trying to sugarcoat, but I'm flying so high. I don't even know if I'm coming down. You rock my boat when you hold me so tight. The world just disappears in front of me. you.